Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you squishies that I got today. Let's get started. First one is this pear. It's really squishy and it's super slow rising. I have to purple and it won't come out. It's super slow rising. And the next one is the best. Now I look perfect. Super squishy. Next, I have this peach with a bud. Super squishy. These are my two favorite squishies right now. And I'm just talking for the rest of the time. I'm enjoying my squishies. It says a girl's name named Madison. Are you kidding me? This is Madison's box for squishies. It's not fair. Let me move over. Move it! My squishies. Okay, the pear is amazing. And the peach is amazing too. Oh, it's super squishy. My first peach ever. Here I have this. I got this for Easter. Let me take it out of the package. I put it in the Ziploc bag because I threw out the packaging because I didn't want it no more. Because the sticky part got off and it wasn't sticking no more. So it's supposed to be a bagel. The coconut is coming off. It smells amazing. And it said on the Amazon account, it said it was going to be jumbo. But it's not jumbo. It's not even as big as my hand. This is as big as my hand. Rip off. But it's really squishy. My nails look so pretty. I had to do this for Easter. Stop saying it's Stolziana. And Stolziana's my doll.
He's showing me Stolziana.
Oh, okay. So, watch the video where Miranda cuts open a horsey and a Stolziana, the Barbie doll. Okay. And I got that yesterday for Easter from my mom. And I got this cake. If you saw the last video, Madison did this. I don't like her at all. It's super slow rising. Now let me show you them all together. So, the pear. Super slow rising. The peach. Also slow rising. The bagel. Smells amazing. And the coconut shavings are coming off. That's a rip-off. And it said it was jumbo. But it's not jumbo. And the cake, which is getting really defected. Where's this part? Oh, right here. Look at that. That's not good. And when it came, we had that. That's not good. Stop laughing. I'm so sorry. Are you kidding me? I'm trying to do that to make you upset. He's annoying. And then I have all these other squishies. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't watch the other squishy video. It was really dumb. I didn't like her. I don't like her. She's annoying. Oh, I got these earrings with stars. I rock earrings. The other girl doesn't. I hope she knows. Oh, I want to play with slime. So I have slime. I made it for Easter. It's right there. So it's yellow. It's fluffy. And I didn't add anything to it. Super squinty. I love squinties. So making my mom buy me more. Watch Hannah's bagel. It's the best. I love that shop. I finished it. It was upsetting. I'm so sorry, Miranda. I'm so sorry. I'm Mini Miranda. There's a lot more Mini Mirandas, but that's fine. It's super squinty. Okay. I love this one. But my favorite, I've been squishing this a lot on my mom's bed. And I've been playing with it and doing stuff like that. And I love this Easter slime. It's super squinchy and super pokey. I love it. Look at that. Can you see that? Yes.
Yes.
She scared me. Stop it. I'm sorry. Super pokey. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. Comment down below if you would like another video like this with squinchies and more squinchy packages. I won't open another squinchy package until I get a package and I don't open it already, so I can show you that. So I hope you guys enjoy. Please please like and subscribe and comment down below. The lighting's much better. I'm so sorry about the lighting before.